Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we can apply the formula for this one in here. And you got about 2 ln s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about the u equals to the s over s. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. The integration of u, you got about u square over 2 and we put about c. Now we simplify number 2. About u, that's it about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.